Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Today's episode of my video is I am right here in Bataan, the World War II Museum. That's where I am now, and I am going to take you around so that you see how the place looks like. But at the moment it is closed down, but I have a lady who is going to take me around to tell me the history about this place. But maybe it might be in Tagalog or English, but if it is in Tagalog, please forgive me. I might put all the history under the description box. Yeah, so at the moment I'm at Bataan World War II Museum. So there's a monument about the place, but a woman is going to take me around who is going to explain how this place came by. Yeah, how the Japanese came here to settle here and so forth and so forth. You understand? So let's get into the video so that you know what's going on. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is the monument which you can read. Yeah, but for now I'm going to see the woman so that she's going to take us around so that he'll tell us what's going on. Okay.
Hi, good morning. I'm Catherine Mejia, a museum staff key holder.
Okay.
Since 2014.
Nice one.
Until now. Now, we are here
Okay.
to the school, Balanga Elementary School, where the Japanese occupied since 1942 until 1945, the end of the war. So this building, the original building, Gabaldon that we call that. So Japanese occupied that for 2 years. The bell, the old bell,
Okay.
just by the Japanese.
Okay.
Okay, so it was the original, the only school, only the school
Okay.
occupied by the Japanese. Then after that, for 2 years, so this building, the school building, the garrison,
Okay.
how many feet high? 12 feet high down.
Okay. 12 feet down. Okay.
Okay, yes,
Yeah.
that was the garrison of the Japanese.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so now the only
No, it's okay. You can blend it with Tagalog. I
okay,
use.
okay lang.
Oh.
Okay, so itong school na ito,
Okay.
the only school, ito lang. Then yan ang mga original before war mango tree witnessed by the Japanese kung saan nila tortured and then hung by the mango tree.
Okay.
Okay, the Japanese, the American and civilians.
Okay.
Then for 2 years, the ano gusto mo, monument or
Yeah.
what?
I
They built.
want to ask you,
Okay.
how did the Japanese came to the Philippines? How?
Okay. The Japanese came January, di ba?
Okay.
January, dumating sila sa Lingayen Gulf,
Okay.
Pangasinan. Nagland sila sa Lingayen Gulf, sa Pangasinan. Then, for 20,000 troops
Oh,
ng
okay.
Japanese. And then, lumakad sila hanggang dito from Tarlac to Pampanga and Bataan.
Okay.
Okay. So, the first line defense is in Layak.
Okay.
Okay, first line defense in Layak. So, pasok sila din, the American and the Japanese, nag-build sila ng kanilang group, nag-join sila, kaya ang tawag sila USAF, United States Armed Forces in Far East.
Okay.
So American and Filipino joined. Then nag-defend sila from Orani going to Balanga. Battle of defense from Abukay
Okay.
going to Balanga for 100 days.
Wow.
Okay? Hanggang nag-end ang war for 100 days sa Lamau.
Okay.
Then General Edward King surrender sa Lamau for hands,
Wow.
not for signing.
Mm.
Okay, to stop the war.
Okay.
Sige, wala nang war ammunition, ubos na. So, ang nangyari, nag-defense, hinati ng American, ni General Edward King, siya yung leader ng American. Si General Masaharu, siya yung leader ng Japanese.
Okay.
Okay. So, hinati ni General Edward King ang mga sundalo, defense, Morong, Mariveles, and what do you call that? Doon sa, Lamao, yan ang defense ni, So, mayroon tayong Mount Samat.
Okay.
Yan ang defense ng mga sundalo natin, and Borong.
Okay.
Okay. So, nung mag-end ang war, ibig sabihin, nag-stop ng war, to stop the war, 100 days, sumuko na si Edward King. Pag-stop ng war, dinala sila dito sa Balanga Elementary School.
Okay.
Okay. So, yan ang symbol ng monument,
Okay.
is yan ang kanilang conversation, agreement. Ang witness dyan is dalawang Japanese, si Moto Nakayama, silang dalawang Hapon,
Okay.
na pag-surrender ni General King. Okay. So, dyan ang conversation nila na kung papaano, anong gagawin ng mga sandalong Hapon kay General King kasi lumaban sila for 100 days. Kaya lumaban sila, di ba?
Okay.
Kahit wala ng war ammunition, pinasabog na ng Pearl Harbor, right? December 8. Pinasabog ng ang Pearl Harbor December 8 ng mga Hapon. So, from Pearl Harbor, go straight sa Subic, Ilingabo, right?
Wow.
Di ba? Yan, dyan ang nila. Yan ang base ng mga Amerikanong time na yon. So, yan? Pinasabog nila lahat yan. So, akala nila wala na, walang laban na. So, mayroon pa rin tayo.
Okay.
Mayroon silang mga gamit na mga ngayon ng 50 caliber.
Okay.
Yan ang ginamit ng mga sundalo natin. So, yung ginagamit nila, yung mga baril na may mga may mga bayoneted din, yung mga sundalo natin, maliban sa mga Hapon. Ang Hapon, bayoneted talaga ang mga pampatay nila sa mga sundalo natin.
Okay.
Tsaka yung mga bata, di ba, pinapatay nila, bayoneted talaga. So, mga artifacts na nagamit, makikita mo sa loob. Then, after that, pag nila, nang sumurrender na si General King, April 9, follow Bataan, sumuko siya. Dito dinala si General King, agreement nila yan. Sila na kung paano gagawin. So after that, the following day, Death March. Pina-Death March sila. Ang mga sundalo na captured sa Mariveles, nagsimula doon yung mga sundalo sa Mariveles.
Oh, okay.
Ang mga kalahati naman nag-defense sa Morong, Mariveles, Bagak, yan, defense. Then, yung iba dito sa Lamao, dyan sila nag-merge sa pilar. Pakita mo yung pilar, flaming sword, yan ang symbol ng merge ng mga sundalo.
Oh.
Bago sila nag-start mag-Death March. Pina-Death March sila, April 10. So, start sila doon, kasama ng mga civilian.
Anong year yan?
Sa?
Year. I mean the year. Which
The year, what years? That was 1940, 42, 43.
Oh, okay.
100 days. April,
So it's
1942, January, pumasok ang Hapon. And then, January, February, March, April 9. So, bilangin mo, 100 days.
Oh, okay.
April 9, 100 days. January 9 to April 9. Yes, follow Bataan.
Okay.
So, nag-start sila mag-Death March, maybe April 10 to 11 days.
Okay.
Okay.
So, 1942, the Japanese children
occupied.
were going to school here.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So,
in this building.
yes, this building, 1942 start sila.
Oh, okay.
Tapos, after the war, na sumuko si General King, tuloy pa rin sila. Nag-stop lang sila, umalis lang sila dito nung pinasabog na ng Japan. Yung Hiroshima.
Oh, okay.
Pinasabog na, dumating na si MacArthur after 2 years.
Oh, okay. Okay.
19, dumating siya, di ba?
Okay. Okay.
Dumating si MacArthur, nakakulong na lahat ng mga sundalo.
Yeah, Makata.
Yes.
Okay, so when they were here, they started torturing
people. Nagsumuko na si Edward King.
Oh, okay.
Sumuko si Edward King April 9. Okay. Sumuko siya, di ba? Captured na sila dito lahat. Dito sila nag-start mag-torture, tapos cut head, gano'n. Diyan sa comfort room.
So,
It's a comfort room.
so
Yan.
the torturing, is it only the Filipino or
Filipino and American.
and the American?
Filipino-American. Mas marami ang Filipino, including civilians.
Okay.
Ang civilians,
Ate, can we see?
yeah, tara.
So,
Yeah.
okay, so how does the war come to an end?
Gandang war nung pinasabog na ang Hiroshima.
Okay.
'Di ba? Nang pinasabog Hiroshima ng mga nagland si MacArthur to Palo Leyte 1942. Yes, 1942 tapos pagland ni MacArthur sa Leyte, sa Palo Leyte, pagsabog ng Hiroshima, Hiroshima, dito na umalis ang mga Hapon. Na-occupied na ng mga sundalo natin tong Balanga Elementary 1945 na nung pinasabog na ng Hiroshima.
Oh, okay. So 1945.
Yeah. Noong August 3, 1945, sumuko si Yamashita sa Baguio.
Sa Baguio.
Baguio. Nandun yung museum nila.
Baguio Museum.
Baguio Museum. Yun ang nila, ang monument nila nung mag-final signing na sumuko na si Yamashita na ikinulong na siya. Dalawa ang signing niya sa barko niya nung ni MacArthur at saka sa Baguio City.
Oh, okay.
Yan ang niya. Kaya maraming Hapon yan doon. So doon sumuko si Yamashita. Doon nila nakita yan. Sa Cordillera.
Cordillera, yeah.
Yes, doon siya nakita sa Cordillera. Nakita niyo. So yun. So ang Baguio City Museum, so pumunta dito para alam ni ang nila.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So yung torture room, makita mo yan. 1932.
1932.
Yes, 1932.
Wow.
The only school, isang school at saka ito lang ang torture ang comfort room. So malinis 'yan. For rice field ito, rice field.
Oh, dito.
Yan lahat, rice field 'yan, walang ibang school.
Walang school. Oh.
Bago lang 'yan. Mga ilang taon pa lang 'yan. So itong mangga na ito, yan ang symbol. Yan ang mangga na pinagbibitaan. Ganito lang kalaki.
Oh, okay.
Yan yung sinasabi ng mga Death March survivor natin. Meron tayong Death March survivor dito. Si mga student, grade 6.
Okay.
So buhay pa siya ngayon at the age of 91 years old. Kaya lang hindi na natin makausap. So itong building, buhay pa siya.
Wow.
Siya na lang naiwan.
Last one.
Last one. Si Mama.
Okay, so this building is like
1932. Yan. Makita mo. The symbol of Boy Scout of the Philippines, right?
Oh, okay.
Yan. Ang Boy Scout of the Philippines, ang dumating ang Hapon, sila ang parang mga sundalo. So, nag-joint force na lang ang sundalo ng Boy Scout, Philippine Army.
Okay. Was the Japanese using
Yes.
this particular room? So
Particular.
using it for torturing or for what?
Torturing of the Filipino na may capture, ang mga na-captured nila na mga so natin. So, yan. So, dalawa yan. Big yan, big. Dalawang, ito na lang natira. Siya na lang ang natira. So, imagine, 2,000 civilian and sundalo, mga tortured nila dito.
Oh, okay.
So, maraming nalibing at nabaon dito, especially dyan sa museum na yan, kasi para na siya lang mga manok ng time na yon, cut head.
Oh.
Bibitayin, imagine that. Bibitayin sila, then after that, tortured sa loob. See? So, that's, talagang yan. Talagang, it's a reality of the American and the Japanese during war. Okay. So, yan ang makita mo yung passing through by the mango tree. Yan ang wetness nila. Sila talaga. See? Kaya hindi namumunga ng mangga because maraming namatay. Marami silang pinatay. 1,000. So, that's it. Kung gusto mong sa museum, wala kayong, yun, the same information ang makikita. Ang natin na para mayroon kayong
But the board members, anong pangalan?
Ito yung nasa si General King, si Major Jade Cothran. Kasi yung caption niya wala. Hindi na ang caption niya. Jade Cothran, si Major Williams. Yan, ito hindi ko ma-memorize pa. Siya yung witness ng dalawang Hapon. Itong dalawang Hapon, si Moto Nakayama.
General William?
No, yan, sila. Yung nakatabi ni Edward King.
Okay, this one is General.
General Edward King is a 2 stars.
Oh, okay.
Major Jade Cothran yung nakaganon siya yung may hat, may
Kamay sa...
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yan,
okay.
oo.
So,
Sila yung mga British witness natin.
so, ate,
Oh.
all those ones. are
American.
they Filipino.
American.
American.
British. Oh, apat sila, apat.
Okay.
Sila yung
So
mga
that-
witness
so
of
that
the war.
means no Filipino.
Walang soldiers.
General was,
Wala.
Okay.
Kasi ang
This one- this
to
one is
si Japanese, ang witness of the surrender of General King.
Okay.
Yan.
And ito,
American.
and British.
British ano natin to? Mga witness natin ng war na yan, si General Edward King. Diba British yan? British yan sila.
Okay.
2 stars. Kasi wala pa yung mga caption. So imagine tinanggal kasi you cannot read. Okay.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay.
Oh, ano pa? So what?
Salamat
No
po.
more. Oh, so makikita mo yung ano ng Bataan World Museum.
Okay.
So nandiyan ang originality ng mga artifacts that preserves inside.
Yeah.
With the history of the Battle of Defense, before war,
Okay.
peacetime, wartime, and liberation, and final surrender ni General Kwegi.
So, ate, so I want to ask something. So, what is the agreement, like the agreement between the U.S. and the Japanese to allow Filipino to go? Something like that.
Free war, na sila,
Yeah,
maging
yeah,
freedom.
yeah.
Freedom. After nang sumuko na si Yamashita.
Mm.
Sumuko na si Yamashita, na sila, may freedom, na yung mga sundalo natin.
Was it anything like, maybe like a payment that, okay, the America, okay, I will settle the Japanese to take such amount of money to...
Wala pa. No, I cannot explain. Wala pa akong idea sa kung nila, no? Kung ano yung agreement nila after the war.
Okay.
Okay. So, yan. Ang history niyan, yun lang. Yung mga witness na mga natin. So, yan lang ang magiging, ma-share ko yung Battle of Defense and then, yun ang pa natin. So, yan ang President of the Philippines.
Mm.
Yan. Nasa sa Singapore, Australia siya. Nung time ng war. So, yan ang mga ginamit ng mga Hapon. Yan ang mga sasakyan nila na pang-transport ng Filipino going to Mariveles, going to sa Bagak. Transport nila, dinala nila doon yung mga civilians. So, kasama ang civilians sa Death March.
Okay.
Okay, so maraming Pilipino, mga civilians din ang namatay dyan. Yan. Yung president ng Pilipinas nung time ng 1942.
Okay.
Makuha mo yan, ma-search mo na naman. I-search mo na lang yan.
Okay
Tapos
po.
yan. So, yun, ang na.
Alright, okay.
Okay na?
Thank you.
Okay.
Salamat po. So guys, finally I have brought this video to an end, and you could hear the woman explaining things about this place. Yeah, it's a sad moment though, but at least we learned something from it. Yeah, so I'm going to end this video here, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince again from Ghana. Yeah, and please give some likes and some comments so that we can get it moving. Yeah, also I would like to give some shout outs to some friends out there, my African friends around the Philippines. Yeah, shout out to you guys. Shout out to my Filipino friends also, my Filipino family. Shout out to you guys, and some friends in Qatar, Hong Kong, and Europe, America, Canada. Shout out to you guys all, and thank you for watching again. Peace out.